Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to autofill cover letters with ChatGPT in Word. So let's get started with the video. So for this, you would basically need two details. The one is the resume and the second one is the job description. Then you need to go to any of the browser and post that you need to open the ChatGPT. It would be chatgpt.com. Post that, you will see a plus icon here. Click on this plus icon and you will see add photos and files. You can also give the text format, job description and resume to ChatGPT. It depends on you, but for in a better way, for professional way, you should just give it like this. You can save it in a Word format and then you can paste both. And once you have done this, you can enter it. Please create the cover letter for this and also autofill the details. Since we have given both the details is already mentioned there and it can be autofilled by ChatGPT. Just give the prompt to the ChatGPT. It will start creating. As you can see, it has started creating the cover letter. What you can do is just copy this cover letter. You can either do Control C on keyboard or you can right click and click on this copy icon. Then you need to open the Word. Go to the search bar, open Word. And here go to the blank document and paste the cover letter. First, don't completely rely on ChatGPT. Just read the cover letter once by yourself as well. If you might have made any mistake on the resume, you can edit it. You can see it, the cover letter here, and if it gets completed, what you can do, you can just save this cover letter. So this is how you can autofill your cover letter using ChatGPT. You would be needing the job description and resume for this. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.